Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a new online application for text-to-speech that contains an AI voice generator that I discovered. It may be used for podcasts, videos, and professional presentations, and it can even be used to make videos. I'll provide a link under this video where you can sign up for free and try it out for yourself. Let me just bring up the home page and show you around. This is the sales page, and you can add voiceovers to it. Now, a lot of the voiceovers you'll hear in this will sound quite similar to what you've heard before. As with other tools, this one has some unique features that you might be interested in, so take a look at the home page and scroll through it to see some of the things they have to offer. You may listen to some of the demos, and one thing you'll notice as you listen to them is how great they sound when you combine text-to-speech with music or background sounds. And among a few of these, there are a couple that sound really appealing. So, what I'm going to do is come up here first, and I'll show you how much it costs. Therefore, first and foremost, you can create a free account here and try all of the voices, but you can see the limitations that you have here. And there are additional plans here for Basic, Pro, and Enterprise, as well as your constraints. You can do a one-time pack for $9, which gives you a 30 minutes of voice generation plus all the features of the basic plan, and then there's a breakdown down here. Compare all three so you can see precisely what you're getting when you buy this. What I'm going to do now is come back over here and close this, and this is inside my studio, and you have three project possibilities here. So you can come in here and choose one. You can choose My Projects, or you can go through the templates page here, which has already a lot of videos in here that you can watch. You can modify it if you go in and customize it. Now, what I like to do is I'll just come up to the projects and click on New Project. You can give it a name. For now, I just do My Awesome Project 1. And then from here, if you want to add your own audio and video with the voiceover, you can go ahead and upload content for that here. That is not something I intend to undertake at this time. I'm just going to click on Upload later. Now it will take you to your dashboard. Now up here at the top, you have a lot of options. So under the video and images, once again, if you want to add your own images and videos to your transcript or to the voiceover, you can do that, and you can have a little timeline down here that kind of shows you. You can play around with it, but for a lot of you that just wants to do a text-to-speech under here, under the voices right here is where you can enter content, and then you can choose from a lot of different voices to read your script. As previously stated, many of these will be recognizable to you, so I'll hover over these and let some of them play.
Only constant. Change.
Our patients' health and treatment of the utmost importance.
It's that time of the year you've all been waiting for. The
Educational reformer, John Dewey, once.
Hi, this is Adam. I am one of the most mature American voices in Murph's
to worry about, and your job does.
It only takes one voice at the.
Voice recordings can be tough.
We are innate, and we believe in.
Hi, I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice in Murph.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable
Introducing Perfect Meal, a special.
It can be difficult to find the right voice for your project.
Clearly and emphatically, or smoothly and calmly.
Hello there. I'm Kathy, and I happen to be one of the versatile.
From professional instructive scripts to product demonstrations,
Hi, this is Sophie. I am a trustworthy Canadian voice, known for being warm and believable.
Hi, this is Carolyn. I am among the most mature American voices.
Hi, this is Scott, one of the professional American voice.
Change. It's the only.
At ISH, we consider our patients' health and treatment of the utmost
Hi, this is Jessica. I am among the most mature American.
Hello, I am Robert. I am among the professional
educational reformer John Dewey once said.
And then down here, you have some English UK.
Hi, this is Emma, one of the friendly British voices in.
Hello, I'm Edward. I come from the UK.
Hello, this is Amelia. I'm from the.
Hi, this is Lily. I am one of the most mature British voices.
Hi, this is Alice. I am one of the native British.
Hi, I'm Rose from the UK. I am known for my simple and trust.
Hello. This is Benjamin.
Hi, this is Toby.
Hi, this is Eliza. I am.
Hello, I am George. I come from the UK.
Hello, this is Isabella, one of the.
Hi, I'm Harry. I'm one of the friendly and relatable.
And then you have English Australian.
Hi, this is James. I am a.
Hello, this is Chloe.
Hi, this is Isla, one of the friendly Australian voices. Hello, I'm Billy, a professional Australian voice.
Hey, this is Matt. I am one of the native Australian voices in Murph's.
And then you also have an India, and these are pretty impressive.
Hi, this is Dhruv. I am one of the friendly Indian voices in Murph Studio.
Hi, I'm Meena from India. I am known for.
Hello, this is Kushal, one of the native Indian voices in Murph Studio.
Hi, this is Kavya. I am a trustworthy Indian voice, known for being warm
and then down here, you have English Kids.
I can narrate children's books or convey holiday wishes to your family.
Hi, I am Oliver. I am one of the most popular child voices in Murph Studio.
Hello, I am Hannah. I am among the most popular kids' voices in Murph. I love telling all.
So, what we're going to do, if you have the free version, you will be able to use all of the voices. However, you will not be able to use any of the voices that are designated with the Pro. As a result, you will need to update in order to access them. If you have a script already done, or maybe save in a notepad or something, you can come over here under script and you can just upload it. What I'm going to do is, under voices, I'm just going to go ahead and click down here. What I can do is I can just take this, I can copy it and paste it in here. And then it's going to save it and it breaks it down into different sentences. Now, what you want to do is you want to come up here and then choose who you want to read. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to choose Ken for this. And then if you hit this, it's going to generate the voice for all of this content. So we're going to give it a second. And it's done. So, what we can do now is we can come up here and we can build a block audio file for this. And just download it. Or we can listen to each one individually.
Women empowerment implies giving them independence and choice in how they want to lead their lives.
So, the good thing about this is you have more options for how you can control it. For example, up here we have pitch. So, if I want it to be a little bit deeper, I can take this down to say 0.8. And then if I wanted to speed it up a little bit, we'll do maybe 1.3. And then you have other controls like volume emphasis, adding pauses, and even pronunciation. So, you can add your own words so it knows how to pronounce it properly if it's not. So once you make these changes, you need to come up here and need to generate the voice again. And as you do that, you'll notice up here on the top right, depending on your plan, you have so much you can use, and this updates instantly every time you come in here and you do this. So let's listen to the updated version.
Women empowerment implies giving them independence and choice in how they want to lead their lives.
Alright, all of that is fantastic now that we have all of this content in one block. Anything we change up here will have an impact on everything in this block. Now what I could do is come down here and hit plus, and then I could add some more sentences here. It could be one sentence or it could be a whole new paragraph. Then everything I make and edit while in this block will have an impact on everything in that block. I want to jump back in here real quick and show you what it sounds like finished with background music and how to add it. So all you have to do is when you're done, you just want to come up here to soundtrack and upload your soundtrack, and when it's done processing, it's going to add it down here on this line with music, and it's a lot longer than this, so I can come back to the end of it here and drag it. See it about right here, and then what you want to do is after you add the audio, come up here and click on Build Audio Mod, and when you're done, you can listen to it. Since I didn't have any images or video here, it's just a black background, but we'll listen to it.
Women empowerment implies giving them independence and choice in how they want to lead their lives. Freedom to choose to pursue education, whom they want to marry, career, bringing up children, and more. When a woman is empowered, she can identify her skills, knowledge, and abilities to make her own decisions. Empowerment is an evolving growth process for her, which gives her self-esteem, confidence to face society, and participate in community development.
A couple of other things I want to mention up here at the top are the soundtrack and scripts. You can upload soundtracks from your gallery here, and the ones you post will be preserved here in your gallery, which you can use as backgrounds for your scripts if you choose to do so. You may also import your audio clips into this section, which includes an AI changer. This is cool because you can upload a voiceover, and if it's your own voice, and it will be transcribed and converted to one of the AI voices, and then the script here, this is where you can upload scripts. If you have them already in the text format, and then under settings, these are just a few of more options you can use, and then you have your facts. So, this is what Morph is. It's really a neat tool if you guys need something pretty powerful for using text-to-speech, and then of course, if you want to take it further, and if you want to add your own videos and images too, create a video from it. Maybe you want to do a podcast, maybe you have stock photos that you took yourself, or maybe that you just have access to. You can upload those and create the entire thing from your voiceover or from your script. If you want to try it out for yourself and go through all of these voices and some of the other features, you can do so by clicking on the link that's provided below this video, which will take you to a page where you can sign up for a free account and get access to all of these features to see if it's something that will work for you and your business. And that concludes this review on Morph. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.